thanks for coming back to my channel again. It's your girl shaniquajwest, and I'm here with another wig review. Yay! I apologize, I know I've been away for a while, but I am back. Do your girl a favor, like, comment, subscribe, look at a few old videos, reminisce. But last but not least, let's get to this wig review. Right now I got like the synthetic, what do you call it, like natural curly kind of hairstyle. It's my go-to hairstyle in between wigs and other hairstyles. So this wig review is sponsored by Elfin Hair. They sent me over this wig, so let's see what's in the packaging. I hadn't opened it up. Well, I did open it up, but then I was like, wait, I gotta do a review on it. Why open it all the way up? The wig comes in a bag like this. Let me see. You know, the standard plastic bags. Inside of the package, they gave me a paddle brush. Let me see. It says Elfin Hair on it. Oh, and it comes with some lashes. These look cute. Okay, on a natural feathery side, not too much, because what I got on right now is kind of dramatic, but these, I love these type of lashes. It also came with a wig cap. Even though this is not my skin complexion, it doesn't matter, because the type of wig I got, you guys will see in a second. Well, you ladies or gentlemen, whoever, will see in a second that you're not even going to see my scalp. I got like a wig with bangs, so you're not going to see anything. They have the instructions. Elfin Hair. What better way to know how to manage the hair than from the company itself, right? Best quality and most competitive price. www.elfinhair.com. So I think this is a thank you card. It's like a little letter, I guess, a letter to the customers. A picture of one of them workers working in the factory. And a coupon code, basically telling you to tag yourself in the photos. And Elfin Hair on IG. It came with a nice rat tail comb, a metal rat tail comb. Thank you, Elfin Hair. That's really cool. They really set you out. Like, the only thing you really need is to put it on your head. And let's get up into this wig. New hair makes me excited. New hair makes me excited. This is their tag right here. I mean, they didn't put exactly what I got, but I have a 14-inch, I believe it's a bob bang wig. So let's see how that looks on me. This is how it looks straight out of the package. Let me see. It just smells like hair. It doesn't smell good, like it was washed or anything. And it doesn't smell terrible like fish. Some hair smells really fishy when you get it. This is the inside of the hair, the cap construction. So it has two combs on the side. It has an elastic band with the adjustable straps that normally comes with a wig. But yeah, that's the inside of it. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna take this off and put her on, and let's see what we're gonna do with this. I'll be right back. Okay. All right now, girl. You definitely need some work, because the way this is looking on me right now, all right, let me comb her out. Let me do her some justice. All right, with their brush that they gave me. First of all, I can't even see. Okay, there we go. This is how she's looking right now. I'm gonna go off camera and flat iron her, and I'll be right back with you ladies, okay? Because this ain't it right here. I'm telling you right now, this ain't it. with this wig, I went off camera and just flat ironed it a little bit, because when it came out of the pack, it was all wrinkly. And I cut the bang a tiny bit, but here she is. This is not one of my favorite looks, but it looks really, really nice, especially for women that love these bobs and these bangs. This bang takes away too much of my face, but it is a really nice wig. As you can see, it has a nice little luster. It's nice and shiny. It has a lot of bounce to it. Look at that. It's so soft, like you can literally run your fingers straight through it. I feel like it looks cute with this sweater too. It falls on your shoulders and you got your shoulders out. Let me show you how it looks from the back. See all that body and movement, honey. Yeah, so like I said before, this is from Elfin Hair. You can find them on Instagram, or you can go to elfinhair.com. And if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you ladies for watching and coming back to my channel. And once again, thank you Elfin Hair for sponsoring this wig in this video. And I will see you ladies next time.